Situation where for some reason you want to go ahead and fix your low resolution photos on your Samsung phone. So maybe you have very low resolutions inside of your photos that you've taken. Now you can go and fix this in a lot of different ways. Now, number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and seeing if some of those photos are, maybe low resolution versions of those photos. So whatever they are, just go through, try double checking. Now, the next thing is you can use tools like Google Gemini or ChatGPT to actually increase the resolution or kind of make them look nicer. So if you have the Gemini app or if you have, ChatGPT, you can download one of these types of platforms. And what you can actually do is you can go through and you can go ahead and when you have Gemini open, you can ask it to increase, the resolution of this photo. Right? So you can go and ask it to increase the resolution of this photo. And you want to click the plus icon right here. And you want to go ahead and at the bottom, you want to go and bring in the gallery. So bring in gallery. And you want to go ahead and bring in that particular photo. So whatever photo it is, you can go and choose whichever one it is. Bring that particular photo in. And you can go ahead and have Gemini to go through and basically increase the resolution of that photo. So as long as you're connected to internet, you can ask it to increase the resolution and it should go through and give you a much higher quality photo of the one that you just posted. So that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.